Hi kids! Today we are going to learn about the alphabet sounds. Do you know the English alphabet? This is the alphabet. A to Z there are 26 letters. Shall we sing that ABCD song? Then we can remind all the letters of the alphabet. Okay kids, let's sing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? Yay, very good. Okay kids, now today we are going to learn about the sounds of these letters. This will definitely help you for your correct pronunciation, your reading and your spellings. So kids, please join and let's learn the alphabet sounds. Sound of the letter. Here first I'm going to name the letter and then the sound and then name two pictures that beginning with the sound. Alright kids, let's start. Please repeat after me. Letter A. Sound A. A. Ant. A. Arrow. Letter B. Sound B. B. Banana. B. Balloon. Letter C. Sound K. K. Car. K. Cow. Letter D. Sound D. D. Duck. D. Diamond. Letter E. Sound E. E. Elephant. E. Envelope. Letter F. Sound F. F. Flower. F. Frog. Letter G. Sound K. K. Girl. K. Grass. Letter H. Sound H. H. House. H. Honey. Letter I. Sound E. E. Igloo. E. Iguana. Letter J. Sound J. J. Jet. J. Jelly. Letter K. Sound K. K. King. K. Kangaroo. Letter L. Sound L. L. Lamp. L. Leaf. Letter M. Sound M. monkey, money. Letter N sound nurse, nest. Letter O sound a, octopus, olives. Letter P sound p, pineapple, pen. Letter Q sound quarter, quill. Letter R sound rainbow, ring. Letter S sound star, strawberry. Letter T sound tiger, tie. Letter U sound umpire, urn. Letter V sound vulture, vase. Letter W sound watch, water. Letter X sound Xmas tree, X-ray. Letter Y sound yo-yo, yawn. Letter Z, or we can say letter Z sound zip, zoo. Alright kids, keep practicing these sounds. Alright kids, now I'm going to sing a song of letters and sounds. Listen to the song carefully and try to catch it. This is really fun. Let's sing the song. A for apple, apple. B for ball, ball. C for cat, cat. D for doll, doll. E for egg, egg. F for fish, fish. G for goat, goat. H for hat, hat. I for ink, ink. J for jug, jug. K for kite, kite. L for lion, lion. M for mango, mango. N for nut, nut. O for orange, orange. P for pot, pot. Q for queen, quack, 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 queen. R for rabbit, rabbit. S for sun, sun. T for tap, tap. U for umbrella, umbrella. V for violin, violin. W for watermelon, watermelon. X for xylophone, xylophone. Y for yacht, yacht. Z for zebra, zebra. Okay, did you enjoy the song? Isn't it fun? Yes. Try to sing this song. This will definitely help you for you to remember the sound of the letter. So kids, please keep practicing. Okay. I hope you all enjoyed the lesson very well. Then kids, be happy and do your studies well. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.